Meaning of Hilda Doolittle.
Hilda Doolittle.
Hilda Doolittle.
Hilda Doolittle.
Hilda Doolittle. Hilda Doolittle, also known as H.D., was an American poet, novelist, and memoirist who lived from 1886 to 1961. She was associated with the Imagist movement in poetry and was known for her innovative use of language and imagery. Doolittle's work often explored themes of feminism, sexuality, and spirituality, and she drew inspiration from her experiences living in both the United States and Europe. Her literary legacy has had a lasting impact on modernist literature and continues to be celebrated by scholars and readers alike.